Let's explore a fascinating topic that's both personal and intriguing. We're discussing the physical and emotional changes that occur in a woman's body when she reaches the peak of sexual desire. It's important not to shy away from the topic. Women's orgasms are an intensely pleasurable experience, both physically and emotionally. When a woman reaches orgasm, her body goes through a series of complex physiological responses. These changes are closely tied to hormonal fluctuations and the body's nervous system. From a biological standpoint, a woman's body can be compared to a finely tuned instrument, where all parts work in harmony to create a beautiful experience. During sexual excitement and orgasm, numerous changes occur. One of the first things to note is the female breast. Many people might not realize it, but during orgasm, women with strong sexual desire will notice significant changes in their breasts. When a woman is sexually aroused, blood flow throughout her body increases, sending more blood to the chest area. This causes the blood vessels to expand, making the breasts appear fuller and slightly larger. Additionally, the nipples become firmer as the smooth muscles around them contract, causing them to become erect. This isn't just a visual change, it also greatly heightens the sensitivity of the breasts. For many women, gently touching the breasts at this stage can intensify the pleasure during climax. This is a natural physiological response that allows the body to better respond to sexual stimuli, similar to how a car's engine revs up when driving at high speeds to meet power demands. Now let's talk about another significant change, the genital area. During orgasm, this part of the body undergoes even more noticeable changes. The clitoris, for example, will swell due to increased blood flow, and its color may darken. This is a natural reaction as the blood vessels in the area expand, causing the tissue to swell and heighten sensitivity. The clitoris, which is one of the most sensitive areas of a woman's body, becomes more pronounced during orgasm, making it highly responsive to stimulation. When properly stimulated, the clitoris can trigger an even more powerful orgasmic experience for women. These changes, from a physiological perspective, are completely normal and work together to bring about the ultimate pleasure. In addition to these physical changes, there are other interesting reactions that occur during orgasm. For example, a woman's breathing rate will increase and her heart rate will speed up. This is because the body's sympathetic nervous system is activated during orgasm, much like how your body reacts when you're sprinting. Your heart beats faster and you breathe more quickly. Many women also produce sounds during orgasm, whether moans or excited shouts. These vocalizations are a natural response, allowing women to express their emotions and experience the pleasure more deeply. Psychologically, the experience of orgasm is incredibly significant for women with a strong sexual desire. At the peak of climax, women often feel a deep sense of satisfaction and joy, as if the entire world has become more beautiful. This feeling comes not just from the physical pleasure, but also from the intimate connection and emotional bond shared with their partner. During orgasm, the emotional connection with a partner can make the experience even more profound. For women with strong sexual desire, climax isn't just about meeting physiological needs, it's also about self-exploration and emotional expression within a relationship. Understanding these physical and psychological changes in women during climax is crucial for improving intimate interactions between partners. When men are aware of these changes, they can adjust their actions to better meet the needs of their partners, creating a more satisfying experience for both. For example, men can be more attentive to the changes in a woman's body, her breasts and private areas, and adjust their movements to provide more appropriate stimulation. Additionally, men should focus on emotional communication, expressing their love and respect with gentle words and touches. This emotional connection will help women feel cherished and valued during this intimate moment. It's also important to acknowledge that everyone's body is unique. While women with strong sexual desire will often experience noticeable changes during orgasm, these changes can vary from person to person. Some women may experience more pronounced physical changes, while others might have subtler reactions. This is completely normal, and the key is mutual understanding and respect. Couples should explore and communicate openly to find the most satisfying approach for their relationship. This video is for informational and inspirational purposes only. It does not constitute professional advice, medical guidance, or psychological counseling.